The alarm blared at 6 in the morning, sparking a wave of excitement. Sarah and Mark zipped their suitcases, ready for the ultimate New York City adventure. Suddenly, the metal doors slammed shut with a heavy thud. Mark was left standing on the platform. Sarah gasped as the train pulled away, trapped with 2 crying children. Minutes turned into a grueling eternity. Sarah stepped off at the next stop. Then, the nightmare deepened. Her phone battery flickered and died. Rain began to pour, blurring the city into a gray chaos of umbrellas. The children wailed, "I am hungry, Mommy." Sarah took a deep breath. She spotted a distant police car through the downpour. She had to be strong. "Sarah!" A voice broke through the noise. Mark ran toward them. They hugged tightly amidst the crowd. Later, in a warm cafe, they laughed. They realized that even the worst days can become the most beautiful memories.